Public transportation is used by many kinds of people. Among them are the elderly and the disabled, people dealing with illness and injury, and people of all backgrounds. This makes it important to provide simple and easy-to-use designs. This is NKK switches TB01 series. These illuminated push buttons are available with and without bezel. With the TB01 series, NKK combines years of experience in switch manufacturing with accessible design. The TB01 is a simple, safe, and durable switch for everyday life. We designed and developed it to be easily accessible to all people. The TB01 series has 5 key characteristics. Improved visibility from the side of the switch. The illuminating section was engineered for easy visibility even from the side. This makes the switch very noticeable on station platforms. High reliability contact construction. We applied a contact structure with outstanding contact reliability. This structure ensures superior mechanical and electrical opening-closing durability. Reliable action even when pressed at the edge. With years of manufacturing experience, we devised an operating mechanism that works when any part of the actuator is pressed. Outstanding water and dust-proof construction. The optimized sealing performance of the TB01 series prevents ingress of water and dust and ensures stable operability and outstanding reliability. Accessible design. The large and easy-to-operate button, raised pictogram, and easy-to-see bezel form an accessible design that is easy to use and highly visible for everyone. The bezel lineup includes gray and 5 colors conforming to GIS safety color standard: red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. 6 colors in total. By providing easy-to-operate and reliable solutions, NKK Switches contributes to the development of accessible infrastructure for everybody.